The Jatter Maps app is straightforward, easy to use, and offers a multitude of place information. You can plan trips, look for restaurants, hotels, parks, find reviews, and more. Let's have a quick look. Find a highly regarded hidden gem restaurant in Madrid. From here, you can dig deeper, see pictures, read reviews, visit website, or ask more questions. Ask even more specific questions. Don't forget, you can always copy the results and save them as a note. So give Jatter Maps a try, whether staying local or planning travel. Place detail and user reviews are only available to Jatter Plus subscribers.